There is no regard for safety in these tunnels because the German High Command views the speed of construction as far more important than the lives of the subhumans they've enslaved. Many workers are buried alive when the unstable chalk ceilings collapse during blasting operations. Their bodies often left where they fall as the concrete is poured over them to keep the project moving. The camera captures the haunting graffiti scratched into the stone walls by prisoners who wanted to leave some mark of their existence before they were swallowed by the mountain. This scene serves as a stark reminder that the V3 cannon was not just a product of scientific brilliance, but a monument to human suffering and the total disregard for life that defined the Nazi regime. As the massive shafts for the guns reach deeper into the ground, the floor of the tunnels becomes a graveyard for those who were not strong enough to survive the relentless pace. The contrast between the high-tech vision of August Conders and the primitive, brutal labor used to build it highlights the fundamental rot at the heart of the Third Reich. While the engineers in Germany discuss mathematical formulas and pressure gradients, the men in Mimoyex are fighting for every breath in a subterranean hell. The sheer scale of the concrete poured into the hillside is a testament to the sweat and blood of the thousands who will never see the weapon fire, their stories buried under meters of reinforced protection. As we look at the faces of the survivors in historical photographs, we see the hollow eyes of men who have seen the worst of humanity in the name of a weapon that was supposed to change the world, but only succeeded in creating a legacy of pain and death. While the Germans are working in the deep shadows of the French countryside, the eyes of the Allied forces are watching from above through the lens of high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft. By late 1943 and early 1944, the British Royal Air Force and the United States Army Air Forces have established a specialized unit to analyze every unusual shadow and every fresh pile of earth detected in occupied Europe. This intelligence initiative is known as Operation Crossbow, a massive and secret effort to identify and destroy Hitler's sights for his planned vengeance weapons. During a routine flight over northern France, a pilot captures a series of photographs of the hills around Mimoyex that immediately alarm the analysts at Medmenham. They notice a massive railway spur that leads directly into a hillside and a level of truck activity that suggests something far more significant than a simple storage depot is being built. Unlike the launch ramps for the V-1 flying bombs, which are relatively easy to identify, the structures at Mimoyex are puzzling because they are almost entirely underground and covered by an enormous concrete slab.